back to my channel. Today I'm creating soft glam Eid makeup look. Easy to create, less products used, stunning look, and this makeup you can do for the day or night party look. So guys, I will show you step by step without delay or time. Let's begin. So first I'm going to start with my skincare as usual. First products, apply serum. LAKME Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. This serum used for hydrating skin, help to makeup go smoothly, and it also help improve skin texture, give more even base. Then apply eye serum from Clinique, All About Eye Serum. Roll on to keep eye hydrating, help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Next, apply tint in balm to keep lips plump and smooth. So guys, you can apply any kind of lip balm. So I done my skin care. So I'm going to leave my skin at least 2 to 3 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. So guys, today I'm making glowing base mixed all together. It will be save your time rather than apply singly products, especially if you are busy in the Eid day. Believe me the process. So first add moisturizing according to your skin types and condition, and add primer, again your favorite primer. Then again add your favorite foundation, only 2 pumps each, and add Skin Lights Face Glow Luminizer for the beautiful glowing skin base. Then mix it properly till the smooth. Then apply with your finger dot method so you can control. First apply less amount, then if you need to build up, apply second time as well. So use foundation brush to apply whole face. Forget to apply in the neck as well, leftover foundation. Then use damp beauty sponge and blend out properly till the smooth and get flawless makeup result. Next, apply concealer under eyes, forehead, near mouth, and where got uneven skin tone, and in the chin for the highlights. After apply the concealer, leave few minutes for the concealer become taggy. Apply the contour to give face some definition, and apply in the cheekbone, forehead, nose, and jawline. And blend out till the smooth, and make sure there is no harsh lines. Nose blending, I like to use fingers, so guys you can use a small brush for blending. Then blend out concealer. Doing eyebrow, so first comb eyebrow upward using spoolie, then apply clear eyebrow gel and apply upward for the eyebrow replacement for the long lasting, and let it dry before apply the eye pencil. Just fill the sparse area using MUA Defined Micro Eyebrow Pencil. Concealer apply in the eyelid and blend out properly and let it dry before apply the loose translucent powder. Next, apply loose translucent powder very slightly under eyes, eyelid, near mouth and in the T-zone for the long lasting makeup and lock down the concealer. Apply makeup setting spray for the lock down the base for the long lasting makeup and less chance to melt down your makeup. Next, I'm doing eye makeup. So guys, today I'm using only bronzer as an eyeshadow for the natural look, and apply whole eyelid and eye bone. And apply eye pencil in the tight line to look big eyes. And same eye pencil apply in the eyelid to look more intense and smoky effects. So guys, no need to apply perfectly, then use a small flat brush and smudge out. Same eye pencil apply in the waterline and same bronzer apply in the lower lash line and smoke out. And apply loaded lash XL mascara to give your lash look fuller and full volume. Same bronzer apply in the cheekbone, forehead and jawline to lock down the cream contour and give some sun kiss effects. Apply light pink liquid blush and apply only 2 dots because this is quite pigmented. 2 dots is enough. Then blend out properly. So guys, I'm using my finger. You can use blush brush as well for blending. So today I'm doing combo lip makeup. So first draw the lip liner using dark brown lip liner from QS. Apply light color of the lipstick from Huda Beauty is called Sweet Cheeks. And apply little bit highlighter, apply in the high point of cheekbone. So guys, end of the makeup wearing big earrings. So this is my final look. Beautiful Pakistani outfits. I loving it, and I decided to keep my hair simple, loose and straight. Happy Eid everyone. Have a great time with the family. I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, comments, share and likes the video. It's helped me to build up my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care everyone and see you soon. Love you all. Bye.